In this video, we will tell you how to complete a discharge notification when goods entered in your customs warehouse have been removed from the warehouse. This notification is issued by the warehouse holder, who is also the customs warehouse authorization holder. The customs warehousing procedure is discharged by entering goods into another customs procedure or by issuing a re-export declaration. Once this has been done, a discharge notification must be submitted to customs. It is a list of all electronically submitted customs warehouse declarations or EIR presentation notifications whose goods have been entered into the next customs procedure or re-exported. Once you have logged in, you can discharge one or more notifications at once. If you discharge one declaration, select the notification from Finished or search for it based on the MRN. Open the notification summary and submission data. Click on Discharge. If you want to discharge several declarations at once, select New Declaration and Discharge Notification. Click on the question mark icon in the top right corner to view more detailed instructions on how to complete the fields. Mandatory fields in this notification are marked with a red asterisk. These are holder of the authorization, trader reference number, identification of warehouse, and a list of the customs warehousing notifications whose customs warehousing procedure has been discharged. First, enter the details of the authorization holder. If you logged in using the CUTSO identifier of the holder of the customs warehouse authorization, click on Use the details of the authenticated person. The system will autocomplete the authorization holder fields. By unticking the checkbox, you can edit the details of the authorization holder. If you are completing this notification as a representative, enter the authorization holder's EORI number and related office number, then click on Fetch Trader Data, and the system will retrieve the authorization holder's name and address details on the basis of the ID. If you are the authorization holder, leave representative fields blank. If you are completing this notification as a representative, click on a representative and add representative and complete the data fields shown. You can tick the representative same as authenticated user checkbox or enter your EORI and office number. If you have opened representative details but have not entered any data here, please close representative details by clicking on Remove Representative. You can enter any identifier that identifies this notification for you as a trader reference number. You can enter another reference in the additional trader reference number field. Next, enter the identification of the customs warehouse for which the removed goods were declared when they were entered into the customs warehousing procedure. If you are the authorization holder and you have transferred goods between warehouses declared in a single notification in the customs warehousing procedure, enter the identification of the warehouse that was indicated in the customs declaration for customs warehousing when goods were entered into the customs warehousing procedure. The customs warehouse identification includes the authorization holder's EORI number, the 3-digit office code, and the 2-digit warehouse location code. Enter the ID number without any spaces. Finally, enter the MRNs of all the customs warehousing declarations issued when entering goods in the warehouse regarding which goods have been removed from the warehouse. If goods were declared using the entry made in the declarant's records, enter the MRNs of presentation notifications. If you want to enter several MRNs, you can separate them by using any character except letters and numbers, for example, by using a space or a semicolon. In this example, only one MRN is used. Note that MRNs of the following customs declarations used to remove goods from the warehouse are not entered in the discharge notification. Once you have completed all details, click on Next in the right bottom corner. On the Summary and Submission page, you can view the details entered and any errors in the notification. You can edit the notification through the links on the left by clicking on the Detail button in the bottom corner. Once you have checked that all the details are correct, you can submit the notification. You can soon see whether or not your notification is approved. You can also view the identifier assigned to your notification. If your notification is approved, you can also view the MRN provided by Customs. If your notification is rejected, only the notification reference is shown. Click on Show Submitted Declaration in the bottom right corner to view the information about why your discharge notification was rejected. You can close the notification by clicking on Close.